Yeah.
Here goes the new addicts.
Yeah.
They bought some Christmas mystery boxes, so they're gonna have a blast this holiday season.
Naughty Santa at his finest.
Yes, yes, because yeah, well, you saw.
Ooh,
Woo!
Oh, that looks like a good box.
it's a box made in China. What do you got?
It suffocates babies. Oh, it's curtains.
All right, you got a set of curtains for
Love curtains.
the house that doesn't need curtains.
We got a black box.
You got a black box. Boy, that looks like some good stuff in there. I don't know. They may got their money's worth on this one.
Measuring cups.
No, just a coffee, a nice coffee
It's
mug.
a nice ass coffee mug.
All right.
That's cool.
Oh.
Nice. Sweet.
Damn.
Keep the flies up out of your
That
stuff.
takes a good box, baby.
Yeah.
That's for
Oh,
you,
hey.
baby.
Hey.
That's for you, Dave. You got a hair dryer to keep that thing, you know.
Keep it tame.
Yeah, something.
That's pretty funny. Right
That's
there.
pretty sharp.
That's probably a $15, $20 unit right there.
Oh, we got a keyboard
Oh, sweet.
for two people who don't have a computer.
No, but it makes a nice gift or resaleable item.
It's a nice one.
Ooh, that's
It
fancy.
glows.
Yeah, light it up. Nice.
For the smouse.
Sweet.
Mouse.
Small mouse. Smouse. Done good there. What else you get there?
Windshield sunshade for Miss Solar Sun cover herself.
Well, by gosh,
Oh, and just
you
for
guys
you, baby,
freaking scored.
an iron for the man who does not iron clothes.
I refuse to iron anything.
That's a good resaleable item.
Wrinkles are in.
Okay, it's your turn. You pick one.
Okay, I want to see what's in that one.
There's a label on the end, might tell you.
Soros round sunglasses.
Oh, my daughter found a pair of Pit Viper sunglasses for my grandson. They're $100 glasses. So,
Put them on, baby.
Yeah, that's for you too. You like your round ones.
Double A battery.
recharger, AA battery power supply adapter.
Looks like rechargeable batteries.
Oh, sweet.
Oh,
Yeah,
dang.
that's worth $10.
What every single girl wants.
Score.
Yeah, keep your stuff powered up and recharge it, not buy batteries.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Freestanding toilet paper holder.
Ooh.
Dang, Skippy, now you got one for both bathrooms.
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, my turn.
Here it is.
This is all orange, so we'll see.
Gloves.
Oh, no, headband things.
Oh, man.
Sweet. You can be all decked out when you go riding. Look
There
at
you
that.
go.
Dang.
Oh,
Heck
that's
yeah.
perfect. Except her little head ain't made that big.
Yep, head both.
Cool. Looks like 3 or 4 items left. Oh, there's something big down at the bottom. Maybe that's a laptop.
Rip it open.
Oh, by gosh. Sometimes you can't tell.
Oh. No, eating some britches.
Yeah, they don't fit Dave, but by gosh.
Chaps.
Cargo pants.
Chaps.
No ass, chaps. Oh, no. That's a...
The dog pooping calendar.
Nope, it's a magnet planner. It's a
Oh.
magnet to your icebox.
Cool. Except stainless
I know
steel,
some
they won't
shit that ain't
stick.
never gonna leave the house, huh?
Okay, get another one.
Dang it, baby. Shoulder snaps. I don't know.
Maybe it's a nursing shirt.
Yeah. It may be. The hell is it?
Oh, it's a t-shirt where you can roll up the sleeves and show off your muscles. Or
Oh.
maybe it is a nursing shirt.
I don't
Just
know.
medium.
Well.
Oh, it is.
Oh,
There
snap.
you go. You whip a tit out.
There you
I
go.
know somebody can use one.
When you're feeding cows. Just confuse them.
Yeah.
You know what you got, Miss Buffy?
Got a white t-shirt.
Uh-oh.
Oh, shit.
That's one of those,
You know, that'll never leave.
Nice long sleeve.
yeah.
Yep, that'll never leave. That'll fit you.
Shirts. Yep.
All right.
Can't
You
wait
guys.
to try them little cargo pants on
Ooh, with that.
with that white shirt.
All righty, I'm going to be taking off now. Y'all have an enjoyable evening. All right,
That's
so
pretty fun. Okay, we're addicted.
there we go. Some
addicted.
boxes are better than others.
Yeah, we are addicted.
I'm so sorry.
I know,
Just
right?
started on dots and bins and other stuff.
It'll
And
probably yes, yes.
I'm a terrible influence.
You are.
God,
Damn it, Harry.
I'm going to have to quit coming around.
Them legs
All
are way
right.
too long for a